Hello guys, welcome back to In 5 Minutes. In this presentation we are going to see the classification of a memory elements. Now it's a very important subsystem of a digital processing system in which provides the storage facility that is referred to as memory. It has become possible to make semiconductor memories of various types and sizes. This memory became very popular due to their small size, low cost, high speed, high reliability, ease of expansion of memory size. On this properties, you can say these memories become very popular. Now we are going to study the classification of memory in this session. The classification of memory depends upon the various parameters. So various memory devices can be classified on the basis of their principle of operation, physical characteristics, mode of access, and technology used to manufacture the memory elements. So we will see in short what are these memories are and how they are classified. Starting with the principle of operation. Principle of operation is depend upon the how the operation of memory element takes place. That is nothing but first category is the sequential memories. Second one, read and write memory, that is also called as RWM or RAM memory. The very next and very important memory is the ROM memory, that is nothing but read only memory, which is further divided into parts as PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. So what are these PROM, EPROM? These are the programmable read-only memories, electrically programmable read-only memories, and electrically erasable and as well as programmable read-only memories. So we are going to discuss these topics in the next sessions within 5 minutes. And the last principle of operation of memory is content addressable memories, in which the specific content which is stored in a particular address through which we get the data. So this is called as content addressable. You can address the content, which are called as CAM, content addressable memories. Second section is depending upon the physical characteristics of the memory. Now depending upon the physical characteristics or this particular property, you can categorize into two formats, that is nothing but first one is the erasable and or non-erasable memories, which the memories which can be easily erasable, okay, that is nothing but you can call it as EPROM, electrically programmable, or double EPROM or E square PROM, that is nothing but electrically erasable memory, for which the UV lights are required to erase the memory. Second one, on the physical property, you can call it as volatile or non-volatile memories. So these are the physical characteristics on the basis of which classification of memory is done.